What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day. As you probably can tell from the title of this video was filmed exactly 1 year ago on this day, and it basically was me installing the 6-inch zone lift kit on my 2006 Ford F250 6.0 PowerStroke, and I'm just filling in the gaps on the timeline with the process, what went on with this truck, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Well, guys, the time has come. It is time to put on the lift. Give you guys a before and after. See all that? It's coming out. She will not look like this too much longer. I'm not gonna be able to film every part of it because I'm out here by myself. So I'm gonna, show you guys little clips here and there. I'm trying to knock this out as fast as I possibly can by myself because the weather here, it's been horrible lately, so who knows when it's gonna rain again. So I'm trying to get this knocked out real quick. Come on, guys, you can see we're making some progress. We got just about both sides torn apart. Got the springs off this side. I dropped the axle, front axle, and go ahead and remove this side's front spring. Pull it out like that. That makes two. And guys, just look at the difference between these. Look at the difference. I'd say that's definitely 6 inches of lift. Look how thick these zone coils are compared to the stock ones. See if I can get them to stand up on their own. It's a big difference there. The zone ones are much beefier and taller, of course, and give you your lift. But I'm so ready to get all this put on. I think this is gonna look so freaking good on the truck. But just wanted to give you guys a little update of where we are at. It actually started raining, as you can see, in the middle of this, so we're kind of trying to work steadily through this, but it's gonna be kind of hard with the rain, see there, but we're gonna get it done, and just about everything's done. Gotta get that last bar off, remove that there, and then I might have to go to the auto parts store and get a pickle fork to get this off, and I think it's a 32mm socket to get the pitman arm bolt off. But I think I may actually go to the store and get that now, so we can go ahead and get that stuff done. I don't know if the store's gonna be open tomorrow, with it being Christmas Eve. I mean, not Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. So, and I'm also gonna be recoating everything under there, so it'll be nice and clean when everything goes in. So that's just a little update for you guys. Hopefully we'll have the front end back together next time you see it, and I'm actually not going to be putting the whole complete rear together. All I'm gonna be doing is putting the rear block in for now, because I plan on getting the entire leaf pack powder coated. So I don't want to put it together and then have to take it apart to get it re-powder coated. So I'm just gonna put the block in for now, and then when I get time, take the whole entire back off, leaf springs, and powder coat them. So yeah, that's where we're at. Update. Alright guys, we're almost wrapped up with the front. We got radius arms back in, we got the drop bracket back in, we have the sway bar drop bracket in as well. All we have waiting to do is put the coils in on each side. So we have the jack all the way down right now. This should be enough room for us to put those coils in. We're gonna put the coils in, tighten everything up, torque everything down, and then hopefully put it down on the ground, and probably do the rear blocks tomorrow since it's dark, and hopefully we'll be good to go, get it aligned, and be ready to ride. Alright guys, we're halfway through. We got the front completely put back together. Got the wheels put on the front. Now all we have to do is put the blocks in on the back. I won't be putting the leaf spring add leaves that came with the kit on today, because I will be taking those back with the whole leaf pack back off to get powder coated. And once I powder coat those, I'll put the packs back together like it's supposed to be, and then throw it on the truck. So we may have like an inch or two squat, but it should look pretty good when I'm finished. So let's get Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a bit out of order, but I felt that I needed to put that in there, being that it made a year on this day today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you don't mind, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Like I said in the previous video before this one, we have a lot coming in the year 2020. So hit that subscribe button and follow this channel. I hope everyone has a great holiday. Stay safe, and see you guys in 2020.